When President Mahama wanted to be a president, and we advised him to call the prophets. He called the prophet to come and pray for him to be president. And he won 57%. But when he need men to think about the economy, he never called a prophet. There is no one prophet among the 7 or 9 member board thinking up. Where were the professors when he lost 2016? Where were the professors when he lost 2020? Oh, you believe the prophet to pray for you to win, but you don't believe the prophet to secure economic recovery.
Owusu mo akwaba edibatu maji itso mesro se enne de kan woni me ediachia subscribe ma page na femi adoma no so sa no upload biaba onsa ebetimi aka Prophet Dr. Abednego so e contact ego screen no ase sunsun mo se bia wonamu se ye adwuma na wo procrata asem na wa brochi na ye basa sika sem nko ado be ye adwuma nya sika na ta osem na ahwe obra kwa wonya adwuma so e wo fire service no nya so de adum na me kanfo Prophet Dr. Abednego edeno amaw se fa number na friend na twetwenkomo no betimi aboa e wo sunsum ha obi a wonamu na busia se me no ka se de Bishop Sam Owusu ne buafu yie pa wakasa abona adwene ede ama Mampene John Dramani Mahama Bishop kire se ewiase be bia chichira aboa no ohu ye nkehwa ene eja no abra ye babeto aba no the Mampene John Dramani Mahama ehu se ohia asofo no nti otonsa ede frɛ Ghana asofo ma Ghana asofo nso ede wo se yoyo ebo twiri trada ekokohia Mampene emode ne nsam eto omanim omufro mapoma eyi mpaye ede ma no ema no kwasam ne se nkunim dia NDC edi no Ghana bakosam no ebi NC da na se wadi nkunim awie na se wo man no asai na wo ba be ni yet na wo ba na se wo frɛ nkofo na wo no madwenjin o man no ho de a wo se wa hwa besim ne wo hu se sofo ba kokora ewo eno na Bishop Sam kire se DNT ena wo se ba ne sa amonyofo no ka me se wo mo ye de asofo no anim atwitwiri fom e ba ne se wo mo ye campaign de mo hu sa asofo ho na se mo take decision bi dia for man no ho a asofo no so tim dia na wo matwe moja ebiase penifo se edija wo yi eni emuna enenam nti Bishop Sam Owusu say ena ode ne nsam no etu dwa ede ma Mampene John Dramani Mahama.
When President Mahama wanted to be a president, we advised him to call the prophets. He called the prophet to come and pray for him to be president. And he won 57%. But when he need men to think about the economy, he never called a prophet. There is no one prophet among the 7 or 9 member board thinking up. Where were the professors when he lost 2016? Where were the professors when he lost 2020? Oh, you believe the prophet to pray for you to win, but you don't believe the prophet to secure economic recovery of the nation. We are in this country. Small single-handed churches are so financially powerful to the extent they have money than even the nation. A Church of Pentecost, ICGC Church, Lighthouse Chapel, the things that they are doing. If this single man of God have the knowledge of the Spirit, living above loan, have built empires, have built universities, who told you don't have economic sense and economic knowledge to take the notion to change, but you are now bringing professors. I checked the list. There is no pastor. There is no man of God. But how come a single man of God can control over 3 million souls in Ghana? One man of God. 2 million. 3 million. Some of them have churches over 5,000 branches. You are telling me these men don't have economic sense? It's not every time you bring book knowledge. There are times you need spiritual knowledge. There are times you need practical knowledge. I thought he could even call people like despite. I thought he could call. Am I talking to somebody here?
Yes, sir.
They may not have educational knowledge, but they have something to transcend time. They have something that is beyond the period of age. Shout yes! You want the economy to recover, and you are not calling men that have evidence, men that have proofs. You may doubt their knowledge level, but their proofs is enough to bear them witness. When you needed men to pray for you, you needed men to direct you to become the president. You pursue them. But when you need men to recover the economy, they are not part. The pastors are not part. The men they are not. Even the practical, the market, Makola. Hey, these Makola women, some of them are more than billionaires. They have skill, they have knowledge. When Solomon became a king, one of the secrets of Solomon, he gathered the market women and traders and brought them to a conference. And asked them, how did you survive in a season of war? Because at the time of his father David, the man fought 66 battles. And in every country that there are wars, businesses suffer. But there were men that still transcend time and broke the record of the economy in the time of war. So Solomon called them and had a conference with them. And they begin to teach Solomon how money is manufactured in the time of life. And they saw Solomon. That's why Solomon became the richest man ever. There are people that they may have never gone to school before, but they can show you the way out. Go to Bishop Darkwood Mills. Go and check what he has built. Go and check his university. Go and check his Bible school. What a normal man of God has built for himself and for God and his church. Check how many churches he has. And you say you can't call this man to the economic recovery. And this man are even. What are you talking about?
What are you saying?
Even prophets. Some of these prophets are so damnly blessed and rich. And we can sit down with you and show you the knowledge, spiritually and physically. When you need them to pray for you, for demons to leave, you call them. But when you are thinking about and it's the same thing everywhere. That's how we behave to pastors. If pastors don't have economic sense, they don't have intelligence, but we don't know.
And Sabusia and someone Bishop Owusu editorial and I did about someone I so what's here in some year you comment and will video as Adam Nafi who send in some usage no effort. Where we are son when we are subscriber to so and too much GH. A ya kind of father on account, what the bell on account was upload me to my notification if you are boss on a washer. All the social media handles so called a too much GH. I say also, or bell like in wash and I wouldn't have been so any reaction. Dark gold and I'm just so macro.